Hi you guys. Well, hi, I'm glad you made it back. But if you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself channel, where you'll see tons of videos that will help you save money. Don't go to the dealership or a mechanic to have this work done. A lot of the fixes that I show you, you can do yourself with very little tools. Before you go to the dealership or mechanic, click above on the right hand corner. Chances being I probably have a video that will help fix your problem. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and yes, hit that bell and leave a comment. Believe it or not, I read all the comments and respond back to you. Glad you can make it back. Well, this is for you guys that are wanting to know where your starter relay is located. So this is going to be a quick, real easy video. Plus, this is really easy to locate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open, and if you stand just where the driver's side tire is at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. And if you look towards the top of the box there, you're going to see two gray square looking modules. The one on the right where the red arrow's at, that is your starter relay. If you need to replace it, it just pulls right out. You just pull up on it and it comes out just like a fuse. See how simple that was? Well, I hope this helped. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.